Two cars, both American, both built to thrill. One costs $67,000, the other nearly $90,000. The Chevrolet Corvette and the Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing both made Car and Driver's 10 Best list for 2026, and they've done it more than once. But they are completely different animals. Which one is actually worth your money? Let's find out. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette is an American icon that's been on the Car and Driver 10 Best list 10 years in a row. 10 years straight. At its core, it's a mid-engine sports car, a layout change that happened in 2020 and transformed the Corvette from a good car into a great one. The base Stingray starts at around $67,000 and packs a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8, making 490 horsepower. For 2026, the lineup also includes the E-Ray, a performance hybrid version that adds an electric motor to the front axle, giving you all-wheel drive and a 0 to 60 time of under 3 seconds. Same emotional experience, more grip. The Corvette isn't shy. It's wide, low, and dramatic. The cockpit wraps around you like a fighter jet. It's polarizing. Some people love it, some find it too flashy, but nobody ignores it. On the road, it's genuinely fast and surprisingly livable as a daily driver. The ride is firm but not punishing. The transmission is a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic. There's no manual option anymore, but most buyers don't miss it. The 2026 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is a completely different kind of performance car. It's a 4-door sedan, quiet enough for a business dinner, fast enough for a track day. Under the hood is a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 making 680 horsepower. That's more power than a base Porsche 911 Turbo. It comes with a standard 6-speed manual gearbox, one of the very few high-performance sedans left in the world that still offers one, and a 10-speed automatic if you prefer. Car and Driver calls it one of the best sports sedans ever made. It has earned a spot on their 10 Best list 5 consecutive years. The reason? It's smooth, precise, and relentlessly capable. Push it hard and it rewards you. Drive it easy and it feels like a luxury car. Starting price is around $88,000. That's $20,000 more than the Corvette Stingray. But you're getting 4 real seats, a real trunk, and the ability to blend into everyday traffic, something the Corvette will never do. So how do they compare directly? On raw performance, the Corvette wins. Lighter, lower, more aerodynamic. On a track, it will lap faster. But the Blackwing isn't slow. 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds with a manual gearbox is genuinely impressive. On practicality, the Blackwing wins easily. 4 adults fit comfortably. The trunk fits real luggage. You can take it on a road trip and nobody in the back seat will complain. In the Corvette, you have 1 passenger, 1 storage area, and nowhere to put your jacket. On value per dollar, this is close. The Corvette gives you more excitement for less money, but the Blackwing gives you more car for the money. More usability, more daily comfort, more versatility. On driving character, both are exceptional, but they feel completely different. The Corvette is visceral and immediate. The Blackwing is precise and calculated. One makes you feel like a race driver. The other makes you feel like a test pilot. If you want the purest driving experience and you don't need to carry anyone, buy the Corvette. It's one of the greatest sports cars in the world at a price that would embarrass Ferrari and Porsche. If you want something that can do everything, track days, road trips, school pickups, client meetings, buy the Blackwing. It's arguably the last great American performance sedan, and it may not exist for much longer. Both cars won Car and Driver's 10 Best for 2026. Both are genuinely worth the money. The question is simply, which kind of driver are you? If this comparison helped you, hit like and subscribe. We cover the cars that actually matter without the hype. Next up, Honda Civic Hybrid versus Toyota Camry Hybrid, which is the smarter buy for everyday Americans in 2026. See you there.